Hey, what's going on, y'all? Sean, a Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem for you. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then go ahead and take a shot at this, and then we'll go through it together. All right, so this problem says, what value of b solves the equation below? 4/7 times b equals 11 over 8. Now, if you look at this a certain way, like for example, if you look at that and you're like, man, what in the world can I multiply by 4/7 to get 11 over 8? Then you're gonna like puzzle yourself. That's not the way to approach this. The way to approach this is by the algebraic technique of solving for the variable. So basically, you're gonna either multiply each side by 7 over 4, the reciprocal of 4 over 7 to get rid of it, 4 over 7 to get rid of it over here and to move it here, or you're going to divide both sides by 4/7, which is essentially the same thing. All right, so let me get my pen tool. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 7 over 4. Remember, the goal is to move that from this side to that side, and the way you do it is essentially by if it's something being multiplied, you're going to turn it into 1 basically. That's what we do by multiplying it by the reciprocal. But whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. That's where the movement comes from. So 7/4 times 4 over 7 is just 1. So you're just left with 1b or just b on this side. And then 11 times 7 is 77. 8 times 4 is 32. This can't be reduced any further. And so B is 77 over 32. I know it's a weird looking fraction, but that's the actual right answer to this problem. Very simple. Let me know if you got it, or if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments. Otherwise, have a great day. Make sure you subscribe if you don't already. If you're not already, I mean, so that you get, you see the other problems that I put up as they come out. Have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.